So after you have downloaded out the installation file like this, all you need to do is, to install TeraBox is go ahead and double click it out right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that you can go ahead and choose the installation directory. So you can go ahead and choose wherever you want, or in my case, I'm going to keep it as it is. And I'm simply going to go ahead and click on quick installation. So once you go ahead and do that, what happens is that it says the new version is being installed. So what happens is that you have to wait and TeraBox will be installed on your computer. So let's just get back right here. And then as you wait, you can see that TeraBox has now been installed just like this. So there's the TeraBox shortcut right here. And just like this, you can see that TeraBox has been installed out. So what you need to do is you need to go ahead and allow access to TeraBox right here so that it can make changes onto the system so that you can go ahead and manage out the files as you need. So this is how you can go ahead and install out the TeraBox desktop application on your Windows computer, and similar process is to be followed for Mac and Linux as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe